Today I'm making a delicious beef and broccoli stir fry with a rich homemade sauce. Start by grating fresh ginger and garlic. Cut the broccoli stem first, then pull the florets apart. This keeps them whole and prevents shredding. Now let's prepare the sauce. Start with soy sauce, add brown sugar, fresh garlic and ginger, sesame oil, oyster sauce, and cornstarch for thickening. Slice your beef thinly against the grain. Add baking soda and black pepper. This will help tenderize the beef even more. Heat olive oil in a pan over high heat. Cook the beef for about 6 to 7 minutes until nicely browned. Add hot water and pour in the prepared sauce. Stir until it becomes rich and glossy. Now add the uncooked broccoli. Cook for about 3 minutes, just enough to keep it fresh and vibrant. And finally, add the chopped chives. Serve it on its own or with organic rice as I did here. Tender beef, crisp broccoli, and a delicious homemade sauce. Enjoy and thank you always for watching.